Hello my dear students, good morning first class. I am Neelam. Today I welcome you in your maths class. In previous video we already have discussed chapter 1 and today we will start the new chapter number 2. Okay, chapter number 2 is addition. Okay, chapter 2 is addition. First we do the warm up exercise, then we will start addition. Warm up exercise, it's based on your previous knowledge. Okay, there is a picture. It's a picture of zoo where we go to see the animals. So Nancy, Julia, David and Peter went to a zoo. They counted each type of animals there. Okay, 4 friends went to a zoo and they counted each type of animals. So there is an exercise for you. Write how many animals of each type are there. Okay, how many animals of each type of there. When you put things together, they are being added. Okay, when the things are together are being added. Okay, we add the things when they are together. Together means all the things are the same place. The plus sign shows addition. Okay, this is the sign of addition and this is the sign says the same as or equal. Okay, this is the sign of equal to. Okay, so there is a 2 questions for you. Nancy counted elephant. Okay, Nancy counted elephant and David counted tigers. Okay, so first we count elephants. Now come on the picture and count elephants how they are. How many they are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, count the faces of elephants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many elephants? 5. So we write here 5. And David counted tigers. David counted tigers. Now come on the picture and count tigers. Count the faces. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 tigers are there. So we write here 3. Then equals to dash animals. Now we add 5 elephants and 3 tigers. Then how many animals? We add 5 and 3. Okay, 5 and 3. How we added? Now we add all elephant and tigers. Okay, so let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so total is equals to 8 animals. Next one is Julia counted giraffes and Peter counted monkeys. Julia counted giraffes. Okay, so first we add giraffes. Let's come on the picture. Giraffe. These are the giraffes. Count the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many giraffes? 4. So we write here 4. And monkeys. How many monkeys? Let's count the monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many monkeys? 5. So we write here 5. Okay. Now equals to animals. Now how many animals? Giraffe and monkeys. When we count giraffe and monkeys, then total is, so let's we count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the total animal is 9. So this exercise is complete now. Now what we will going to learn in this chapter, there is a learning objects. What we will learn in this chapter? Sign of addition, adding 1, add on the number line, addition facts, adding 0, order in addition. Okay, so these things we will learn in this chapter. Now come on the next page, page number 18. First we do this exercise. Sign of addition. Okay, this is the sign of addition. So today we learn about it, sign of addition. Exercise, use plus instead of and. Okay, use equal instead of is. Okay, so there is a one example for you. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3. So we write here 3. And we use plus sign in place of and. Okay, we use plus sign in place of and equals to is use in place of is. Okay, so 3 and we add, we write plus in place of and. Okay, then number 1, 2. So we write here 2. Is, what we write in place of is? Equals to. Equals to, use equals to instead of is. So we write here equals to. Then we count all the flowers. These are 3 and 2. 3 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Okay. So this is the method of addition and writing of sign, addition sign. Okay. So next exercise is for you. Count and write how many are there. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So we write here 3 and what we write in place of and? Sign of addition. Then number 1, 2, 3. So we write here 3. Then is, what we write in place of is? Equals to. Okay, equals to. Then total flower is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we write here 6. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lotus? 5. So we write here 5. And what we write in place of and? Sign of addition. Then 1, 2. How many lotus? 2. So we write here 2. Then is, what we write in place of is? Equals to. So we write here equals to. Then add all the lotus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So we write here 7. When we add 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Okay. Add both the flowers, then we get 7 flowers. Okay. Next one is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How many roses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write here 6 and what we write in place of and? Plus 1, 2. What we write here? 2. And what we write in place of is? Equals to. Okay. Then how many flowers? We count all the flowers. 6 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we write here 8. Okay. And the next one is count. B exercise. It's a count, say and write the number in the empty boxes. Okay. How many potatoes? 1, 2. Say 2. Write 2. And then we write sign of addition. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we write 4, 4. What we say? 4. Then what we write? 4. Is means equals. Then we put the sign of equals. Then we add all the potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we say? 6. Then we write 6. Okay. Same thing we will write in next questions. 1, 2, 3. What we say? 3. So we write here 3. Then again write 3. And means plus. Plus means symbol of addition. Then 1. So we write here 1. Again 1. Then is. Is means equals. Sign of equals to this. Then add 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write here 4, 4. Next one is say 1, 2, 3. This is garlic. 1, 2, 3. So we write here 3. Again 3 plus sign of addition. 2, 2. Then we put the sign equals to. Then add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we write here 5, 5. Next one is, how many banana? 1, 2. So we write here 2, 2. Sign of addition plus, then add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 banana. So we write here 6. Then equals to, sign of equals to, then add all the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we write here 8. Next one is mangoes. How many mangoes? Count 1, 2, 3. So we write here 3, 3. And sign of addition. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write here 6. Then equals to, sign of equals to, then count all the mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we write here 9. This is exercise is complete now. Now come on the next page. Page number 20. It's a new thing, add on the number line. Okay, now we learn about number line. It's very easy, but watch it carefully and listen carefully. Okay, we can use a number line to add numbers. Let us add 5 and 4 on numbers line. We start from 5 and jump up 4 numbers forward. We reach at 9. Okay, if the question is 5 plus 4 equals to 9, how we represent it on the number line? It's very easy. First we draw a number line. It's start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our answer is 9. So we make a number line till 9 number. Okay. Then number line is ready. First number is 5. So we start from 5. How we added 4? Then we go forward 4 numbers. Okay. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Second number. Start from first number, then go how many numbers? Next numbers. 4 numbers we go forward, then what we number get, this will be our answer. Okay. Always remember, first start from first number 1, 2, 3, 4 because second number is 4. So we forward 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 5 plus 4. Then we got a number that will be an answer. So the answer is 9. Now question is 3 plus 4. First you tell me how we plus 3 and 4. It's very easy. We start from 3. Okay. And how many go forward? 4 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we got the number 7. So the answer is 7. Okay. Next 5 plus 2. First number is 5. So we start from 5. Okay. Then plus 2. How many numbers we go forward? 2. 1, 2. Okay. So we got 7. The number is 7 is the answer. So we write here 7. Next one is 2 plus 4 equals 2. First number is 2. So we start from 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers we go forward? 4 numbers from 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get 6. This number is the answer. So we write here 6. Okay. Next one is 3 plus 6. We start from first number 3. Then how many numbers we go forward? 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 9. Okay. So we write here 9. 5 plus 3. First number is 5, so we start from 5 and go forward 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. This is the answer. So we write here 8. 3 plus 5. It's very easy. It starts from 3, then go forward 5 numbers. 5 digits, okay? So 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 8. So we write here 8. This is number line is complete. So practice it and do this work in your notebook. Okay, it's your homework notebook. Okay, and this is your homework in notebook. Okay, SW notebook. So this is your homework, and start chapter 2 in your notebook. Thanks for watching me. Have a nice day.